Again, I'm going to show you how to recognize a few more plants by their leaves. This plant is called columbine. It gets leaves like that. This is what the bud looks like. It hasn't blossomed yet. Right behind it I have a rose bush. This is a miniature rose bush. Let's see what else we have. This is what they call a black-eyed Susan. I've also heard it called a brown-eyed Susan. There's another name for it too, and I just can't think of it off the top of my head. Rudbeckia, I think they call it as well. This is perennial lavender. This will get like millions of little teeny weeny purple flowers on it. It's not blossoming right now. It almost looks like pine needles, but it's not. It's actually kind of soft. It has a really nice smell to it. This is a sedum. It is a ground covered sedum, so it stays like a couple inches tall. This is another type of ground covered sedum. I believe this one's called lemon ball. This is spiderwort. Spiderwort looks a lot like a big glob of grass. Gets little purple flowers on it. This is what the buds look like. It's not blooming quite yet. And I think that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.